Grandpa, my mind won't shut up.
Thoughts keep stacking on top of each other. Is there a Stoic way to calm this fast?
There is a way, son. The Stoics didn't try to silence the mind. They asked it better questions. I'll give you 3. Ask them and your mind slows down. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire under pressure. Wars, betrayals, constant noise. Yet he stayed calm because he questioned his thoughts.
So calm wasn't talent. It was training?
Exactly. First question, is this in my control or not? If it's not, release it. Your nervous system relaxes immediately.
Because I stopped fighting the impossible.
Second question, is this happening right now or only in my imagination? Most anxiety lives in the future. This question pulls you back to the present.
That alone feels calming.
Third question, what response reflects my best character? Not anger, not fear, but virtue.
So calm comes from choosing who I want to be.
Calm isn't found by escaping thoughts. It's found by questioning them. 3 questions. That's all it takes.
For more simple Stoic rules,
Join the Stoic Network.